Embrace retro aviation style with Swiss precision. The Hruodland Pilot ST3620 features a Seagull mechanical movement, Sapphire Crystal, and BGW-9 night light. Legendary movement. Powered by the Seagull ST3620 manual mechanical movement, handwind for smooth, accurate timekeeping that honors horology tradition. Unmatched durability, stainless steel case with scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Built to withstand daily wear while maintaining vintage elegance. Night visibility, BGW-9 blue luminous markers glow in low light. Arabic numerals and skeleton design merge readability with artistry. 5-bar water resistance, swim, shower, or explore confidently 50 meters depth. Perfect for active lifestyles without compromising luxury. Comfort fit, 20 to 24 millimeters leather strap with buckle clasp. 40 to 44 millimeters dial diameter and 12.4 millimeters thickness balance presence and wearability. For watch enthusiasts who crave mechanical authenticity with modern resilience, this is the ultimate pilot's companion. Explore it on Aliexpress, where heritage meets adventure.